Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap, which was the last week, not this week. I've been very busy and forgot to make one. All right, so let's get started. The last week started on the August 31st. And this is the first one, Euro Yen from 7-minute chart. Buy order is right there. All the trades you're going to see in this video are always, not in this video, but this is what I do using this expert advisor. And my proper setup has to be there. Then my uh, this EA, the expert advisor robot, will take the trade automatically, right? So this is how it is. Euro yen 55 pip. And you can see this one gold. Look at this beautiful, all of these, this was the entry, this was the entry, and then this is the one that showing on this chart here. And this trade alone is 370 pip. I had this one. You can see this little arrow. That was the entry here. This was the entry here, from here to here, here to here. It's a lot of trade, gold trade last week and so far this week also. Okay, this one on the 1st September, 85 pip buy order right there, pound yen, beautiful entry according to the setup and taken by the robot. This one also pound yen for 85 pip from 20-minute chart. So this is euro yen from 7-minute chart going long from here. 50 pip on the first USD yen, all yen pair. Yen, when yen start to move, all yen pair goes in the same direction. So yen was getting weaker, and all yen pair went up with that. All right. So gold, another one from 500 box size. This is the one from here. Buy order for 675 pip. You can see that it was. I left it alone because my daily chart was pointing way to the upside. Right. So I said, well, let it go. Right. Let me see if I can show you my daily chart, if how it was and then how it is now. You will see why. That's why I had all these gold trades, because of this chart that I made. Um, Come on, man. Daily chart. All right. So when we were here, I made the chart that we're gonna go to the upside there and see what happened. Right. So all this time, long, so many long trades I had, and this is exactly where it ended up. Let me see if I can show you that the chart I had, gold and daily, and I made it on a note that I made it on the um, okay, this is a chart I made, right? On 18th, August 18th, when we were here, that according to this diagram, we're gonna go all the way to the upside, and this is how we ended up so far. Right now we're coming down. So this is why I had all these long trades. Now you may understand. Um, why? Okay, now which one I was showing? Yeah, so this one, right? So gold to the upside now, pound yen, 7-minute chart here, sell orders right there. So exact same kind of setup, but the upside down, and 115 pip here. Pound Aussie went down here, 50 pip only. On the second Nasdaq, you can see it's a big, from the 40-minute chart, 370. It's supposed to be points, but I forgot to change that. Gold again, continue going to the upside, and it's 460 pips more from here to there on the second. On the third, you can see gold again going to the upside, right? Just keep going to the upside. Now, this is, it's on the third, coming down from here. There was a retracement. So it went down. Now, pound Aussie on the fourth, 95 pip buy orders right there. And gold again from 500 box size. We came down, retracing, and then again it started to go up. This is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 I caught. And this is the one taken by the robot. Buy orders right there. And it is 420 pip. Now this is gold entry. This is the Omer chart. It's a weird. His is always testing different things. So this is gold here again on the 2nd September. This is you already saw that one. But okay, on the 4th, you can see Nasdaq going to the upside here. From there, only 70 points by the way, right? On the 4th, this is it's supposed to be like this is my 40-minute chart, right? And this is where the buy orders are. This is a small buy here. You can see this is how I was expecting that this thing is going to drop, but it went up even more to the upside. Gold again, this one I just showed you a little while ago, right? But this is from here to here, small, 150 buck size. I mean, sorry, 500 buck size, 150 pip on the 31st. And this is the one. This is the last one actually, right? So these are like probably like about 14 or 15 trades taken by the robot, according to my analysis, especially gold. Like I said, that it was amazing, and it still keep going. And now it's dropping. You can see here that this is a current chart, by the way, right? And I said that this wave three probably gonna be ending here. I made the chart already. Let me see if I can show you that. This week, earlier, I made the chart. It will be here. Over the weekend, I made the chart saying that this will be coming down after. You see that? So this is where we're supposed to end wave three and then drop for wave four. Okay. So, and that's exactly what is happening right now. It's not done yet, but it just started. You can see that beautiful, a shooting star kind of candle here at exactly where I had this mark for wave three. So if this is wave three ending, then at least, we're going to drop until maybe this high or this high in this congestion area for wave four before going up again for wave five. And that would be the end of it. This blue count, 3, 4, 5. Right. And after that, we're going to drop for wave four. That would be the end of blue count, right? So, and then that will end this wave three. And then we're going to drop for big wave four here again, right? So the one we just dropped, we are going to drop, that would be only the blue count. So it's complicated. It's Elliott wave. If you don't understand Elliott wave, then forget about it. But that's what's happening, right? So just wanted to share with you guys that this is what happened last week. So far, this week, while we are here, let me show you this week as well, whatever we had so far, right? So far this week, 10 trades already taken. This is pound USD. Entry was last Friday, but closed on Monday, September 8th. And this is for 100 pip, right? And this is gold, beautiful entry here, 340 pip all the way to the upside. Buy order is right there. And this is gold again here for 340 pip from the smaller time frame, 200 buck size. You can see on the 8th, Nasdaq, nice trade to the upside. Buy orders right there for 220 points. Here, gold again going to the upside, right? It retraced here and then started go, and then 45 pip on the 8th. And just the yen dropping from here all the way to 140 pip. To the downside, then you can see pound yen also dropped for 80 pip here, and euro yen 75 pip. And this is because of the chart that I had for yen index. Let me show you. This is what happened. And this chart, right? So you can see that I had this on the 8th weekend, Saturday. I made the chart that if yen start to drop, it's supposed to be dropping from here. And what will happen? If it stays below this, then all yen pairs will go down. So I made the chart on Saturday, and I was expecting that that's going to happen. And that's exactly what happened. And all yen pairs started to drop. And that's how I had this, right? So this is why you can see the pound yen, this one, and then euro yen also drop, USD yen drop, CAD yen drop, right? 100 pip already on the 9th. Today, actually, today is the 9th. And then gold, final trade, if it was here, and it went all the way to the upside, 127. That's where I got out because it is a perfect bearish butterfly pattern, right? Harmonic pattern. So it's like 78%, 38, straight to 127. I was expecting that it might go up for 161 level, and I posted on the Telegram that it might go up over there, right? And it did. It went up to 161 level, and then from there, it dropped big time. And you can see um, here, you see this drop? You can see it. In fact, here, look at that on the 1,000 box size. So far, it is coming down nicely. Here from here to here, right? So wave 3 is ended here, and wave 4 we are coming down. So these are the trades. I hope this is the last one. Yeah, this is the last one. So 10 trades so far this week as well, right? So let's see how many more. So far now, gold is coming down and has a nice trade open already. It opened a short, but we came back and hit my SL at break even, and it opened another one, and then this one also probably gonna hit at break even, and then it making a third short setup on 500 box size. So as long as the entries are showing up, I'm gonna take, and then one of these entry will go down the distance. So let's see. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.